Hi guys, good evening. This is Shah from Quantsutra and I'll be trading the US futures today. And we recently launched our product Quantsutra and we will be trading in NSE equity, more the NSE futures. In the meantime, we'll be trading in the US futures too, and we will be trading in the Forex. We cover most of the pairs either in swings or in the intraday trading. So as of now, we are going our first live in US futures. Let me open the chart and do a quick analysis for today. Let me turn off this. Let me go to the daily time frame. So as we can see, this is an FEG in daily time frame and the market has opened a gap up here. It make a good gap and the market created a daily FEG. As yesterday the market took the liquidity from this FEG and started moving the upside. So as of now we confirm that the trend was an upside. Let me break down to a little bit clear. Let me go to 1 hour. Here we can see the market has created an Asian low here. So that's a Friday low for the today's. This is a Monday. started. And after the London, this is a New York AM, New York lunch, and we will be trading in those sessions. So as we can see, the market has to go the Fridays. Sorry, it's a Monday's low actually. So market took out the Monday's low and started moving upside. So according to this, I have observed one trade here where the market pushes and get back into the zone, and it created an FEG here. And at that time, we didn't book any trade. Here the market has structure and market came back and pushed it. So we have entered a trade into here. We go to the 5-minute time frame. So I'll be trading most of the time in IFEGs. This is an fair value gap, but we will be trading as an inverse today. So I took a fair value gap, 5-minute as an IFEG. So my kind of strategy is always enter the trade when you get a clear side of confirmation and a rejection. Okay. Now what is the confirmations I look is, I'll check the major liquidity taken out here. When you see the market has given a swing from this to here, then after a swing low and a swing high, high was taken out here, and it's creating a high again. So according to this, the market just took out these highs. That's the confluence number one, and I can see the market is taken out the yesterday's Asian slow. There's a two confluence. And the other thing is, the market, we have an IFEG here. Whenever the market pushed up, tapped into this zone, I entered after the rejection. So I entered somewhere else here. Let me show you that. So usually we enter the trade here, keeping the SL like this, like 3 candle or 2 candle below, and targeting the day's highs. So I never recommend you guys to take the trade like 1:4, 1:5. I always recommend you guys to go for 1:2. Why? Because 1:2, it will help you to build a proper consistency where you don't get greed of waiting for all this trade. Okay, as of now, at the current market, we are looking, these are the London highs and lows. So this indicator shows here the London highs and lows. Let me give you a name of this indicator. So I added an ICT kill zone and pivots. So this indicator gives me the highs and lows of each session. For example, if you look at this one, the Asian high, and this is an Asian low. For example, this model will fall under the Asian range also. Whenever you see the market break the Asian high, it rejected here. It rejects the here. So usually what people do is, whoever trades the Asian range, they take an entry after this rejection. And why they take an entry after this rejection? If you see, the market has given a good engulfing after rejection. This is an Asian high, market pushed up, it tapped into this zone, and we got a good rejection, and we got a good engulfing candle. But what people do is, they enter after these highs. After the candle closed, people enter here, keeping an SL as tight as this 24 points, and they will be targeting 1:2. Like this. So it exactly aligns to your previous day Asian, not this one, which is New York AM high. So now the market is pushed up like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. It's a very good entry. So we will be trading in the same way, but at the moment, if you see in the 30-minute time frame, let's consider this as a swing. Okay, it created a low here, but it doesn't take out these highs. Again created a high and took out this low. So the market has changed the structure. There is a change of character here. Change of character here, and started coming down. Wait a minute. Is that okay now? My voice is clear? I hope it's clear. Okay, good. I got my confirmations from my team. Okay. So as of now, as I told you, market made a swing. It created a high and it gave a small pullback into this FEG. And I created a high, but it failed to take out these highs. This is a swing high. Now it's forming the internal highs and lows. Okay. So now we see market has given a good breakout with a good impulsive candle. You see it has created an FEG here. I created an FEG here, and where the market changed the character from this level. A swing high, a low, and the high was not out and the low was out. Okay, market changed the characteristics. Market changed the characteristics and it's heading downward. So now what you have to do, we have to go to a little bit lower time frame and we have to check. There are n number of FEGs are there here. Like one, let me turn on this one, then you will understand. So there is another indicator will comes into the play. So this one, FEGs and IFEGs by nephew Sam. So we have n number of FEGs, but you can clearly observe this is the one single stretch where you don't get a much of liquidity here. Now what I am expecting is market give a good high. Now we'll be like creating the liquidity. I'm expecting till this area, till this zone. Now then after this, market create a low and a high and a low. Once market took out these highs, will be entering at these FEGs to the another highs. So as of now, so this is one good liquidity. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Now you can see market has created a liquidities here, which is perfectly aligned into the previous liquidities. Let me draw a line like this and it will be like more comfortable. So let me go to 15-minute time frame. So as of now, I'm expecting market a good push, right? So there is a one-sided move with no liquidity. For example, if in case you guys want to know what is the liquidity, where the market is moving in a good way, we can understand it. See, the market is creating highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, high, and a low. So this area, the market has cleared all the orders and created a good number of liquidity. Here you can see the market has given a single sided stretch, and after that it started creating the liquidity. So as of now, we are in the 30-minute time frame. As I told you, the market has tapped into the zone. Market has tapped into zone and given a good reaction. Let me go to 3-minute and I'll explain you guys how to enter in these kind of markets. So we are in the 15-minute right now. So sorry, we need to go to 30 minutes first of all. We need to identify it. So we identified here. Okay. So whenever the market has created an FEG after breaking the characteristics, you go to the lower time frame and check. Okay, either the market is sweeping the highs or else it's breaking the highs. Okay, here you see the market has break the high but it couldn't sustain it and fall down again into the zone. Okay, this is a one good sign the way the market we can expect to go down. Again the market has created, as I told you, it created a one-sided stretch liquidity in the 3-minute time frame and it taken out again. See, these are the liquidity it has created, as I mentioned, and all this liquidity was taken by this stretch and all the pending liquidity was taken out by this stretch. So usually market behaves in this way. We go to 15-minute and observe the market, what it's doing there. You see the market taps in once, twice, thrice, and keep on rejecting. So we can observe one kind of pattern here where the power of 3 AMD, right? Accumulation, one-sided manipulation, and whenever you wanna do the distribution and all, you have to check it in this way. Either the candle was closing above, either was candle closing the below. Whether you have to consider this is a manipulation or not. Okay, the manipulation happen in this way. So this is accumulation, this part is accumulated, this part is manipulated. Manipulated, and this is the distribution. Okay, now let's compare this here. We had a very good stretch in the Asian hour or the London hour. In the Asian hour we had a very good stretch, and after that stretch was continued in the London hour too. I feel this was a spread. Okay, usually what happen at these times, so when the market has stretched in the early hours in the sense the pre-market hours, for example, we say either in London or else in Asian, the market will consolidate heavily. To clear out these liquidity. So after that, what happen? Either it will give a good push to the upside, taking out these highs to the upside direction, or else the worst case scenario, the market gives a good dump. How? First, the market will let the buyers in this way and take out these low and started dumping like this. Okay. So usually what happen? Buyers get trapped, and here buyers get trapped either here or here. Usually what happen? Either the people will place an SL in this way to these lows. The one guy in the top will place an SL in this way to these lows. This way the market allows the buyers to get inside and get trapped, and after that a dump. Okay, I'll show you an example for that. We can see the market tapped in a 30-minute time frame. If you go to 30-minute time frame, there is a strong and FEG market started dumping from there. We'll see. Before going to that, I'll give you the example, right? Let me show you the example, then I will come back here. So for example, this is the Friday. Okay, so what happened here? Let me circle out this area. This area, a lower time frame. As we can see, market let the buyers in. Take out all the buyers and again pushed up. Market again let the buyers in. How? You see, the market was kept rejecting in this area. People will think that okay, now the buyers was exhausted. I mean, the selling side was not that strong, and people started entering from here. Highs enter again, and the market give a very good push. This is a people think this is a kind of a confluence and started entering. What happened after that? Market slowly taking out all the liquidity and started dumping in the Fridays. Okay, same kind of scenarios happen whenever you see the most of the consolidation happen in the New York time. Now at the moment, let's see, for example, let's take this as a consolidation area. You see the market created a low and a high, market bounce in that area. It has manipulated to downside. Okay, so what happened here? Whenever the manipulation happen, whenever the manipulation happen, people will enter at these highs and keep the SL somewhere else here. So this is a scenario. Most of the buyers will get stopped out in the market. See, pushed up, pull up, again push down, make an SMT here. Can SMT here. What happen when you go to a little bit lower time frame? For example, I'll show you how. You see, market has created an SMT, and after that there is a big engulfing candle. Okay, as I told you, people will enter in these IFEGs. Okay, so usually what kind of chances you get while looking at this pattern? Market push, tap into the IFEG and pull up. Okay, so if in case you are scalping, you may enter here keeping a tight SL and just keeping 1:2. This could be a good trade. Okay, but my trading style was not for like 1 minute time frame, most probably not for 1 minute or 2 minute. I'll be like going with the least of least is 3 minute, where I didn't found any in 5 minute time frame. I'll go for like 3 minute and I'll start searching for the lower time frame interest. Let me delete this one. So what happened here, the market pushed up again. You can see this is a very good stretch. As I told you, where there is a good stretch, the market will take out again the same liquidity. See, the market has created a good liquidity area. It keep on creating highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. After that, market sweeps these low, and pushed. Again, these kind of liquidity was taken out in this time. So as of now, we can see the market opened and it's a New York AM. So here we can see the market took out the London low. Here the London has started at the 11:30 area. So this is not exact London started. So it was mixed of kill zones and the actual London timing. As I mentioned, let's see our FEG strategy will work or not. So this is an IFEG. Okay. Market created an IFEG here. What time frame we are trading in 1 minute? Okay. See, as I told you in an example, IFEG is one. Let's see the market will put this one. Is it? I'm just checking it. This is not an actual entry. This is not an actual entry. Just checking it. See the market pushed one good IFEG, expecting to this. As I mentioned about the scalping, if you guys can look at it properly, so this is a very good scalp. Okay, let me calculate what's the actual number. Okay, let me place an entry over here exactly at these highs after the rejection. Okay, this is a 16-point stop loss, and okay, so not this one, here, sorry. This is a 12-point stop loss and a 24 points target. So this is a good 1:2. Push, rejection के ऊपर entry and market pushed up. Let me turn off this indicator for a moment. Let me check in the 3 minute. Okay. Okay, see, this is a 3 minute IFEG. Oh, so this is a regular FEG. Let the market to break out in this way and retest, then an entry. Okay, we planned in that way. So when you go for like 1 minute time frame, so 30-minute time frame. Okay, it's reacting from the FEG, not a breakaway gap. So this is what we call as breakaway gap. So the market pushed up and reacting from a regular FEG, not a breakaway gap. Let me draw a Fibonacci. Okay, we are still in a good zone. God, market made a move and consolidating in 1 minute. The level which we are protecting, the size. Let's see. So once the market take out these highs, and we will be checking for the some more entries like in the higher time frame. See guys, I don't know how many people entered this one and holding at this time. They are expecting market to push up. When you are new to the game, the people started thinking that okay, we have a very good stretch, and we started entering at the tops. Abhijit, stop eating, man. You are what you are eating or something? You are shouting. Okay, you are singing. Nice. See, as I mentioned, market give a high, low, and a high. So feels like market is testing these highs. A high, a low. Its low is not out exactly, guys. The market hit it, and it's a TP. As I mentioned, as I was explaining right from the beginning. No more entries in live. I'm not gonna take any entries in the live. So I'll be here giving some analysis tips. As we know, the market reaches the TP. It's a 1:2 trade. So this is a quite a good example in the live itself. So rather than showing in the previous market, I've shown one good example in the live. Whenever you see, let me turn on this indicator at the moment. See, whenever the market has created one good low in the 15-minute time frame, you see market has created a low here. It was a London low. So we see whenever you see these kind of wicks, okay, not at the time of candle forming, the market has pushed up anywhere upside. So whenever you see the market is taking out the lows, session lows, go to the lower time frame and check this the market is rejecting it or sweeping it. I'll give you a pretty good example what is the difference between the sweep and the break of structure. Okay, for example, consider this as a candle, is a red candle. So let's think this is a low. Okay, so what happened here? Whenever the market gives you another, for example, market went up from here and again came down. Okay, if the market gives you the red candle, consider the body closing outside the level, then consider it as a break of structure and wait for the market to shift and enter the trade. Okay, so usually what people do is they always enter here itself. Okay, whenever the market breaks, the people enter, put an SL like this, and they put a stop ratio of 1:2. Never do this. Okay, as of now in the recent market, the Trump, whenever the Trump came, like the last year was beautiful. It was November and December. The market runs flawlessly. Whenever the Trump came into the presidency, the markets started shaking. I never seen this kind of PA in my entire life like this. Let me go to 15-minute time frame and I'll show you what kind of PA we are looking at the moment. See the market. See, this is a very good PA. Okay, look at this one. Whenever the market open, it's going on the sideways. It's a continuous sideways. It's a very good stretch one. I think it's a before news. I think so. See, market open in this is a 15-minute time frame. Let's consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4 candles is 1 hour and it's a 1.5 hour. Market has in the range for 1.5 hour. From the opening range, it gives you 1.5 hour. It went to sideways. Okay, here also same. Market created a range, and for the whole day till lunch. Lunch is also done. It's a New York PM session. It's a aftermarket session. Let me take a scale and check it. Okay, market was keep bouncing between 140 points. For your information, guys, whenever you get a lunch session, you wait for the market to take out the highs or lows. You always have to wait for it. Let me go to 3 minute. Let me go to 1 minute. So this is the entry, right, which we have planned after the rejection. So even though if you took it after the rejection, we can enter here, place an SL here, and it will be like 1:2. I suggest you to guys not go more than 1:2. It's better to scalp in the futures rather than holding it for the whole day. Okay, let me place it here itself. No, for now what I am expecting, market is pushed up, taking out this liquidity. I'm expecting a dump. Exactly, I'm expecting a dump. Let's see. See, observe guys. So whenever you are in a market, wait a minute, let me go to 4 hour. audio increased? Can someone tell me if the music is loud? Okay, thank you. Okay, what about now? See, this is 3-minute time frame, right? Okay. I have increased my OBS voice completely. Let me increase it and reduce the desktop sound. What about now? Still same? Perfect, nice. Okay. So now look at this one. We have an FEG here. Okay, let me turn off this one. Why it wasn't red? Okay. We have an FEG here. Let's check is the market. So one more thing, guys. So whenever you want to check an FEG in the higher time frame, okay, do you think this FEG is a valid or not? Use this indicator called GAN box and fit it for like half year. So if in case, let's consider, if in case market took out like 50%, okay, if market took out and closed below 50%, then consider it was coming down, or else consider it was going up. Okay, the 50% mark is important. Let's see. We'll go to 1-minute time frame. Market is still rejecting from these liquidity high. We got here one. So this is a 15-minute, right? If I'm wrong, no, it's not 15-minute. It's in 3-minute. Exactly, it's in 3-minute time frame. Okay, let me delete this one. This was out. The consolidation. Remove this one too, this one, and this one. Though this is a live trade, I'm not gonna say the trade. I'm gonna say this is an example how we take an interest. Okay. Now we can see market is taking out this FEG. Oh no, it's not this thing. Wait a minute. Okay, consider this one as an FEG. It already have a wick. Okay, let me go to 3-minute. It has a wick. So at the moment, it has a wick. So this is like 5-minute FEG. Exactly, this is a 5-minute FEG. Let me put it here as a 5-minute FEG. Okay, this is a 5-minute FEG. Okay, so how this thing works again, I'll show you. Once the market break out, okay, let the market to take out these high, then wait for the retest. If the retesting was good enough, take an entry from these highs and plan for the top. Actually, my day one is not that good. It was raining heavily in my area. See guys, my major confirmation was waiting and waiting and waiting for the rejections. I'll be trading only on IFEGs, and worst case scenario, it will be like breaker blocks, not order blocks, breaker blocks. I'll be trading on the breaker blocks and I'll be trading on the IFEGs. Kind of inverse mind. Okay, this is 5 minute, right? Let me go to 1 minute and check what happening. This 5 minute, right? See, market, as I mentioned you early, market pushed up, took out all the liquid here, and as I mentioned, market will take out all this liquidity. Anyone new here? Welcome to Quantsutra. See, this is 5 minute, right? Let me check. This is another 1 minute FEG is also there. Okay, let me work on this one. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It was perfectly aligning with 5 minute and 1 minute FEG. Let's break this high, retest where we can enter from these highs like this. Let's see. Let's see if the market took out that high, we can enter, or else we'll wait. Oh wow, we got a good impulsive candle here. See, this is the high. Okay, wow. We got. Let me check. Is there any news for today? Forex factory. Uh, Not that important news. You can say. 7:30. Oh, okay. We have a news today at 7:30. That's what the orange folder. Not much of news today. What about tomorrow? Okay, we have FOMC meeting tomorrow, and we will be having live tomorrow from 11. We'll sit and we'll check how the FOMC meeting goes. Let's see what Powell talk. Okay, let me go back to this thing. Okay, market took out the highs. Uh, maybe after retest we can enter from here. After retest, not now. After retest. So my major time was focusing on these highs. At the moment, initially this high is very close. Let the high to be taken out. Let me go to 15-minute time frame and check. Okay, these are all the very big FEGs. So this is the high. Okay, there's a no liquid zone. Only selling was happen, no buying was happen. So what I'm expecting is market will be a certain range for the certain range for choppy. Don't call it as choppy. Market will create the highs and lows. Let me get into these highs. What a 3 minute? No, we are in the 1 minute. I think so. Yes. Let this high FEG work. We'll see. Market has created an FEG here too. It's a very good one. Abhijit, are you still watching? Okay, who's watching? Yes, nice. Hmm. Let me check the ES for a moment. Okay, I'm not sure about the ES. Oh wow, the same thing happened. You guys look at this one. London lows. Let me go to 15 minute. Market created a London low. This low was out. Like lower time frame, low out. You see again, we have 15-minute FEG. Market tested it, taking highs. So 1, 2, and 3. Let me put it here for a moment, and we put it like 1 is to 2. Exactly. Okay, so let it run for this for a side. Let me go to. Oh, wow, it's not coming back. Okay, here we can have the two entries. Consider a BB, a failed order block. Oh wow, volume is very strong. Hmm. Let's see. I feel a trap. I'm expecting a seller trap. Let's see. 1 minute, guys. I'll be back. Hello. Let's see. We didn't do any retest at the moment. Let's see. Let's check either BB or my inverse FEG. which one will play out? So, oh no, this is not 5-minute FUG. This is 1-minute inverse FUG. Okay, let me enter this as just an IFUG. I don't think so. We have one IFUG. Oh, wow, we don't have any. IFUG. That IFUG? Yes. IFUG. Save. Let me save it as IFUG. That's it. Save. Okay. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, either we'll do one thing. Okay, so anyway, the market pushed up. It was a very good reaction of 24 points. Okay, let the market to take out the London highs. We'll see what will happen. So let me go to little bit higher time frame to plot it out, the breaker block. Okay, this is very big. Okay, this is little bit fine. Okay, now the market is in like 3-minute breaker block. Let's see. Even though the market didn't come to these levels, let's hope the market push, retest, and an entry. Targeting 520s. Oh wow, 520. Do we have any levels in 520? 15 minutes. Okay, is there any specific reason for 520s? 520s. Wow. 15-minute order block. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Yeah, true. 15-minute order block. So at the moment we are in the 15-minute, market is taking out, about to take out the London highs. It's a pretty good stretch. From our entry, 135 points. Coltex. Yes. 3-minute order block intact. Let's see. Let me post it as a memory. My first live analysis went to TP in live Discord. Done, guys. It broke. I don't think it's a kinda retest. Okay, what happened in 3 minutes? Okay, the 3 minutes just now it's broke. Tell me, should we wait? Should we wait the market to retap in 3 minutes, or should we go for like 1 minute time frame? Now we can see this is the high candle body. It's still outside. Still a very small rejection. Candle body, it's a very good candle body. There's still 40 seconds left. It's a sweep. It's a sweep. Let me go to 1 hour, 1 minute. See, choppy. The chop day, man. This is not a good PA. Okay. See, market pushed up. This is a good PA. Market created highs and lows. Again, stretched it, take out these highs, never came back for the retest. Again, market pushed up, and this is a choppy. Let's see where the market goes. Still, my breaker block is not intact, and my inverse FEG is not intact. And let me delete this one. Okay, let me focus on these three. Okay, check S&P 500. Okay, wait. Let me check S&P 500. The same entry as I mentioned is a inverse FEG in the 3 minute time frame. You see, this is an inverse FEG. Market pushed up, retested the FEG, and we should be entering on from here to till this. Wait. Game blocks. Wait till these highs, and we'll see. So at the moment, I'm taking 1:2 only, not much. This is a very good stretch. I'm waiting for market to take out these highs. I don't know. Uh, maybe it will take out after the lunch, New York lunch. New York lunch have the worst consolidation, as I mentioned before. I'll show you an example. See, the New York runs have a range. Again, the New York lunch have a range. Again, the New York lunch have a range. These are very small ranges. I'll show you a clear example in NQ. Okay, in 1 hour time frame. You want it 1 hour time frame. Wait. Let me check it in 1 hour time frame. See, I'll give you a clear explanation here. Okay. Always consider this is a breakaway gap. This is an FEG and another FEG. Okay. So while you are trading all these FEGs, okay, remember never trade in the premium zones. Always wait for the market to get into the discount zones. See, here we have a FVG. Okay, market tapped into our breakaway gap, but it rejected back into the discount zone. Okay, so let me delete this one. In 1 hour, the market took a very good liquidity from 1 hour FVG and it got rejected and it heading towards, as of now, I was waiting for these highs. These highs. Okay. Why? Because if you check properly, there is a one single direction move. It's not that good. The PA is not that good. Whenever you want to have the good moves, you have to create the highs and lows properly. So this is a clear one direction move, and the market is slowly orders getting filled in these areas. Market is slowly eating in these areas. Targeting 5970. 970 exactly. Okay, is there any particular reason? Is there a 2 hour, 4 hour? So 5970. 5970. Okay. Targeting these highs. Great. For the initial, we will target only these highs. The initial targets. The H4 setup. Okay. In the H4 itself, the market has given a liquidity here. It cleared out these liquidity and came back and closed here. It gives a very good wick. Let the market to tap in these highs. Let me change it to the 4 hour. This is 4 hour one. Let me go back to 1 hour and check. Okay, candle was too strong. 15-minute. It about to hit a TP, the zone which I have calculated, the 1:2. Okay, now 3-minute time frame. I'm long at 58.79. Oh wow, very good. Wait, let me check. Let me check. You are long at so for easy example, guys, whenever you want to check this price, right? Keep a line here, go to coordinates and enter the target number 5879. Oh, it's a very good long. It's a very good long. Wait for these highs. Wait for these highs, cam blocks. Wait for these highs and we'll figure it out. Wait for these highs to take out, and in 3 minutes we are almost reached our target. It's a very good entry. On which basis you entered? I mean, you are in the 4 hour setup, I know. Do you enter in the lower time frame or you just checked it in the higher time frame and started entering there? Let's see, let's see. Let's this order block work or not in 3-minute BB. Hold on. Okay, nice. That's a good catch, by the way. Dude, what happened to your original account, man? Uh, will last 1 more hour. We'll be streaming till 8:30, like in half an hour away, like 8:30 or 8:45. So every day we'll be streaming from 6:45 onwards till 8:30 or 8:45. We'll be streaming for 2 hours. If in case I found any entries, I'll be dropping all my entries in the Discord channel, which we are going to provide in the description soon. Click on that link and go to the Discord channel and check out our entries in NSEs. NSE equity, NSE indices. We have a specialist in gold who trades with Malaysian SNR, and we have a guy who trades is an expert way who trades Elliott wave theory in an expert way. And I am the one who will be trading in 3-minute and 5-minute time frame, the IFEGs and breaker blocks. So we will be having the 3 different lives in 3 different time frames. So this is my first live, right? So the US futures we started in the evening time, like somewhere around 6:30 or 6:45. So regular timing will be like 6:30, so 6:45. So before that, we will be having the lives from the morning itself. The one of our mentor will try to teach you or do the live analysis for equity and the indices in the NSE indices like Bank Nifty and Sensex. And if in case one of another mentor who trades in gold, who is expert in gold in SNR, he'll be trading whenever the setups come, and or you'll be doing the live streams in from London, the London Open, right? Exactly from 12:30. So he'll be doing the analysis, or else he'll be giving the quick insights, like it's a quick stream for the 15-20 minutes or 1 hour stream. He'll come to the live and he do the analysis for the whole day, and he'll be posting the entries in our free Discord channel. Click the link in the description. We'll be pasting soon. And one more thing, I'll be doing the lives. I'll be doing the lives like 2 to 3 times a week. Most of the time, as I told you, the market will be like in choppy situation. Then we don't get any kind of entries at that time. So today, why I opened today? Why? Because yesterday was a Memorial Day. There is not much of market. There is not much of movement in the market. A very low movement. So the market closed somewhere around like Indian Standard Timing 10 or 10:30, maybe at 11 o'clock, and open backs at the Asian timings. So that is the reason why I came here. We will be expecting a good volume today. So that's why I opened a live. Let me check. This is 1:2. Okay. So as I mentioned, so that's why we came here. We had a very good volume today. So for example, do you guys think is there any particular day for the volumes and all? So I'll be trading whenever the news came out. I'll be having a 2 to 3 different kind of set of entry models or the strategies which I used for news. Whenever you don't have a news. Oh, very nice. The 5940. 5940. Okay, another 1:2 guys. The same entry, the 3-minute time frame. How we do the analysis. So this is a London low. Market created a London low and a London high. Market sweeps this high. As I mentioned, it created a body, but it need to be retested. As I mentioned, it need to be retested. Market retest fail. It closed again inside the London lows. As I mentioned, there is an IFEG here. Let the market wait to break this one. It broken. It closed outside. And again, as I mentioned, market close the low outside of the FEG. So this is a very good sign. Always take an entry from the candle highs and place the SLs like this and target for the 1:2. As you know, see the market hits the 1:2 in the ES, and another 1:2 at the opening times. Let's see, I'm not much of interest here. Why? Because it's also give a good stretch here. The moment, look at this one, a stretch of 192 points. So at the moment I'm expecting till lunch market make these highs. Once the lunch is over, let the market manipulate one low or the one high. Either it take highs or it go low again. Okay, so wait for the market to tap in this area, these lows. It will started, let me close this one. It will started somewhere around 9:30. Okay, let the market see the market. When is the lunch time? Okay, the New York lunch starts at 9:30 and ends at 10:30. Yes. Anyway, you drink coffee, right? Not enough for you. You lives on the coffee. You survive on the coffee. Okay. As you can see, there's no retest. See, this is not the way, right? So most of the time, either you wait for the market to retest and the rejection, then entry. Never entered, never enter a market which is having a very good volume and it was going in a very good stretch. Always wait for the retest, then only enter. Creating a highs and lows is a perfect way the market is giving you the structures to enter. Not all the time. Turn off slow mode, bro. No point of slow mode now. Got it. Let me edit this one. Okay. I turned off the slow mode. Done. Done. Slow mode is off. Is Abhijit Rauri still watching? Yes. Understood. I don't know. I mean, first live, right? So I'll be like editing too much of security. I was like editing, doing all this stuff. So maybe I turned on. I don't know. Hmm. Market is still choppy. I don't like this PA. See, this is a good PA. Stretch. Now look at this one. Wix, 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 Wix. Let's see. We'll do another consolidation area here. Consolidating. Hmm. Same. The S&P is also consolidating. We'll see. Okay. We'll try to enter in this way. We'll try to do the analysis. Example. Wait. Let the market break this consolidation, again retest and entry. Okay, retest is must. S&P 1 hour candle. Okay, see, the 1 hour candle is so strong it engulfed. I don't think I don't think it will come back now. Nowhere near. If in case it closes below this highs, then we'll see. If in case it gives a very good wick. Okay, but it was very strong. It's a very strong candle. The volume is very good. Okay, we'll try to do the analysis in this way. Okay, why it was not moving? Okay, it's moving now. We'll try to do the analysis in this way. Let the market come, retest, then an entry from this highs. It also have inverse head and shoulder. Yeah, exactly. See, market dump, created a shoulder, created a head, push, shoulder, and this thing. High is out. Oh shit, sorry. High is out. Good call. See, in the real world, it's not a textbook model, okay? It has to be come in this way only. Okay. Wait. I'll do it. I'm explaining something. So the market it's never replicate the textbook model. It will give you the pattern. That's it. Okay. So what the beginners think is, okay, it created a head, created a head, and people think that it's created another shoulder. Okay, it will come in only in this way. No, this is wrong, completely wrong. So what happened? Market can give you in these ways. Okay, for example, consider this as a low. Okay, consider this as a low. Okay, why it was slanted? Consider this as a low. What market did is, wait a minute. This is a shoulder. Okay, so push down, created a high, broke this low, again pushed up. It either makes equal highs or else a proper sweep, not a break, proper sweep, then came down. Whenever the market breaks this low, wait for the market to create an FEG over here, enter after the rejection, not at the rejection, enter after the rejection, and TPs. Okay, so and it measure if it break the shoulder above, it's invalidated. Usually what happen? Breaking in the sense, if it breaks, then it's invalidated. What I mentioned is earlier in the trade, when the market, yeah, exactly. So as I mentioned, it will create a lot of FEG rise. At that time, what you have to do is you have to check is an FEG or a breakaway gap proper way. And the other thing is you have to check it was in a premium zone or a discount zone. No, you have to check it's a premium zone or in a discount zone. So there you will clear most of his confusion. If in case the market is in a premium zone, okay, don't even try to touch it. Let the market settle down, come down a little bit, and wait for the market to tap into your discounted zone. Wait for the rejection and an entry. Okay, never enter. So the ICT I have mentioned, maybe the enter at an FEGs. So for me, entering at an FEG is not working properly. So what I decided is, and I added an extra confluence and started entering at highs. Then I had taken the trades. So for example, so the S&P is at a premium zone. Wait. So this is an S&P. Okay, this is an S&P. Wait, let me delete all this stuff. See, for example, no, it's not a premium zone, dude. It's already cleared. So, for example, take this one. Okay, this is a swing high and this is a swing low. At the moment, market gets into a discount zone. Okay, consider this market is coming down, and this is a premium and this is a discount. Okay, if in case market is going up, it's completely reverse. This is a discount and this is a premium. Now the market is in a discount zone. As you mentioned, market is not in a premium zone, it's a discount zone, but still market is rejecting here. It's the 4 hour. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Let's see 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour, it still have a very good body. It's 22 minutes left in 1 hour. Let me go 30 minutes. Okay. Uh, mhm. Nope. Actually, it was rejecting from this IFEG, but let's check. I don't know. Uh, okay. Market tapped into our 3-minute VB, 3-minute breaker block. Okay, we'll try to catch, for example, consider this as a good stretch from this high to this low. Okay, so we have an FEG over here, and we have a very big FEG over here. Yeah, and this is a breakaway gap. This is a very small breakaway gap. Okay, let me expand this one. Oh wow, it was okay. I'm expecting this area. Market has slowed down. It's literally 1 hour and markets are pretty much slowed down. See, the market went sideways and gives a small rejection, what we call small fake out to the bottom side. Let's see if market break this low, or else it doesn't create any new high. So this is a high. Okay, right, this is a high. If market doesn't make any new highs, consider the market is going for a smaller lower trend. Small. Let's see. No, market make a low, right? Low is out, but it's a sweep. Let me go to 1 minute. Okay, see, so this is the difference. So that's what I'm talking about. First high pushed, high, low, high. Market give a fake out, push in again. Go to 3 minute. No, let me check it in the 1 minute time frame. Oh wow, it's not even pushing. Let's see what is the time till. Okay, 8:30. Fine guys. So from every day I'll start at somewhere around 6:45 from here till 8:30. So this is the most active zone, which I have observed most of the time. So this is the most active zone where you get a proper trades. The cluster is also in the same zone, not the different one. Let me go to 3 minute. So this is the why people should switch from different time frames. See, 1 minute you don't understand. It was a cluster. You go to 3 minute, it's also small kind of cluster. You go to 5 minute. Let's see, you can see the market has pushed up and give a rejection. Okay, but it doesn't take out these highs. For example, if in case we want to enter, we can enter in this way, targeting these lows, protecting these lows and pushing it to the nearest FEG. Okay, so whenever we want to trade this, we can trade in this way. Why? Because taking a trade here itself, it may fall. Okay, we don't have any proper rejection to the top side. Market has created a high, but there is no signs of breaking out that high. You see, the market has created a small low, but its low was out. In the same way, if the market take out these highs, then we can consider the market is going in upward direction. But it's no. Nope. See, market is pretty much consolidating. See, every day either we get like one or two maximum trades. Worst case scenario, one or two. Worst case scenario is one. Okay. So what happen when we are trading on the Fridays, right? So usually Fridays, what happen? Fridays will be, for example, let's take AMD in a daily time frame. Okay, not daily time frame in the sense, daily area. We'll go to the 4 hours always. Okay, so let me go to 4 hour. Okay, so here we can see. Let's start from this Monday. Monday is pushed. Tuesday went sideways. Wednesday is a dump. Thursday went sideways, and Friday is a dump. So, for example, in this sideways, let me go to the lower time frame and check what the market has did is market, as I mentioned, market went to Thursday sideways, give a breakout of London highs. It was consolidated so heavy, and after that it started dumping. Okay, so the some kind of AMD pattern will work here, where the weeks, if in case the Monday takes the highs and lows, wait for the market to regain its zones. Then after we can expect a proper, not proper, like 60 to 70% sideways on the Wednesday, and the Thursday's evening will be evening in the sense New York opens. I'll be trading from India, so whenever the New York opens, so it will be like somewhere 7 o'clock, and after 7 or 7:15 we can see a manipulation in the market. Then you hold on for that, and whenever the Friday Asia's open, you can see again the market goes sideways till London ends, and after that it will be a straight dump. Or else in the lower time frame, what the market do is Asia will accumulate, London will give you a small manipulation, and the whole Friday will be the distribution to the downside. Okay, like 70% times it will go distributed to the downside, and remaining 30% will give the distribution to the upside. Okay, manipulation will happen on the downside. The accumulation will happen in the Asian on Fridays. You have to keep an eye on that one. I don't think this one. Let me post it. This one. This is a 1:2. Same IFEGs in the 3-minute time frame. Got to copy. Put it in my Discord one. Yes. And let me edit this one. Thank you. Okay. Market is consolidating, guys. Market having a choppy PA. Chop, chop, chop. But this is a quite a good rejection from this breaker block. Tapped in and push. That's it. Not much of a. What happening in ES? Okay, ES is having some movement compared to NQ. ES is having a movement. Anyway, it's a chop. It's took out that chop. The body closed outside. Let me draw a box. Okay, body closed outside, and it's still chopping here. Keep chopping. Got a 1-minute time frame. Okay, body closed outside. As I mentioned, push will enter in this way. Okay, we are not entering without any. I mean, there will be a strategy. We are not entering without any rejections from the zone, or else from the accumulation, or else from the previous highs. Either if in case anyone wants to enter, for example, I'm saying if in case anyone wants to enter, okay, I can suggest to a C plus setup, not a B plus or A plus, C plus setup. Okay, entering from these highs, keeping the cells at these lows, and targeting 1:2. Why I said is a C plus setup? I have only one confluence where the market is just give a breakout. That's it. Let's see this one. See, this one also gives the same thing, breakout. That's it. It's just a sweeping these highs. Low is out and high is out. Okay, are we in 3 minute? Okay, let me go to 3 minute here. Oh wow, this is also a good fake out. No entries, guys. It was too loaded all of a sudden. Body, it's closed outside. Let's see. Let's see if the market retest happen. Okay. So for example, market pushed. So this is a push. If market tapped in and rejected and closed above this area, okay, we'll plan for a movement to the upside. Okay, till what extent? For example, this is a 1 hour and see there is a no liquid in this area. So we can expect a highs and lows in this entire area. Where is this one? Okay. So consider in this entire area. Oh wow. Consider this entire area will be having highs and lows. Okay. It won't take out in this way, like a straight down liquidity. No. Okay, market tapped in. Wow. Had a good watch time. Looks like high is not working. Okay, we rejected from these highs, right? Okay, you wait for the market to take out these highs, then we'll understand. Okay, let me put like this. Okay, I'm not taking any trades here. Okay, we're just doing a simple analysis where we can speculate where the market can go. That's it. Okay, simple speculations where it will use as an educational purposes only. Okay, use as an educational purpose, not for live entries. Whenever you want to trade it like you have only that one account. Okay, don't overthrow anything. Mhm. Okay, we have a tap here. Go to 5 minute. No, no, let me go to 1 minute. Okay, why did we draw this one in 15 minute? No. I think 4 hour daily. No. Okay, why did I draw this? Ah, okay, this one. Great. See, guys, it's still consolidating. Not expecting a move here. Let's see. Let's see. Let this 50 seconds complete and we'll decide. Okay, this is ES. Oh wow, I'm just watching the ES. This is MNQ. MNQ is doing nothing. Lows, highs out, low is out, and consolidating. I think I think New York lunch came early in the AM itself. People went for the breakfast. Let's see, this is a low. Okay, this is a low. SMT. This is a low. That's a high. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Wow. Wow. It's again sweep this low. We'll see. We'll see like one more 1 minute and 40 seconds. We'll see. If Gamblocks is still watching, please look at this one. Market is consolidated. It gives a fake out. I don't consider it as a fake out. Market has created a high and low. A high, a low, low is out, created a high. And if this thing created a low, we can expect this area if created that low. Okay. It's crazy, guys. Nothing much happening from, wow, from last half an hour, market is not even moving. Okay, that's a barely closing outside. I'm not expecting any kind of move from here. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like the stream. Thank you for 4 likes, 9 views. Thank you so much. This is my first stream. Thank you for being here. And we'll catch you guys again tomorrow, maybe. Okay, the market is not moving anyway. Okay, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. And please join the Discord. If in case you have any doubts, let me know in the Discord. I'll be there in the Discord. Okay, it's not moving anything. I was like so into this market, I forgot what I'm saying. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I'm ending the stream now. You guys join back again tomorrow. Thank you.